Your desktop is a total disaster zone of scattered files and folders right as you start a high-stakes screen share. You scramble to hide them, but you are clicking through menu after menu while your colleagues watch you struggle in real time. This is exactly where a tool like One Switch changes the entire game for anyone who finds the standard Mac system settings a bit too buried for comfort. It lives right in your menu bar, waiting like a silent assistant ready to act at a moment's notice. Instead of hunting through the display preferences just to flip your screen into dark mode when the sun goes down, you just click a single toggle. One hit, and the whole interface shifts instantly. It turns those annoying multi-step chores into a single effortless tap. Think about the daily struggle with wireless headphones. We have all dealt with that awkward dance where you are clicking the tiny volume icon and praying your devices actually connect before your meeting starts. With this utility, you just toggle the connection directly. It is snappy and reliable. The whole philosophy here centers on reclaiming those lost seconds that bleed out of your workday. You have the power to customize the entire list so you only see what actually matters to your specific routine. If you never use the screensaver, you simply remove it from the view. If you need to trigger low power mode the second you unplug your charger, you can put that switch right at the very top. It handles tasks like keeping your Mac awake during a massive file download or instantly clearing your desktop icons for a clean workspace. The app feels incredibly light on its feet. It does not hog your system resources or cause your fan to spin up. It just sits there, invisible and lightweight, until the exact second you need to change a setting. It is important to remember that this is not a total replacement for every single deep system preference. If you need to reformat a drive or change your network security protocols, you are still going to be heading into the main settings panel. But for the common actions you perform 10 times a day, this is a total lifesaver. It is designed for the person who wants a cleaner interface without any added bloat. You get a real sense of control that the standard operating system sometimes hides behind too many windows and buttons. It feels like you finally have a dedicated dashboard for your digital life. No more hunting for hidden checkboxes. No more clicking through submenus that all look identical. It is just you and a simple, clean list of switches that work exactly how you expect them to work. For those of us who spend the vast majority of our day staring at a screen, these tiny friction points really start to add up over time. Reducing that friction makes the whole experience of using a computer feel more fluid and less like a constant battle against the interface. It is one of those utilities that you install and then quickly wonder how you ever manage to work without it. It simplifies the chaos of a busy workday. It tames a cluttered menu bar. Most importantly, it stays out of your way until it is invited. If you are the type of user who loves a minimalist setup, this is going to feel like a massive upgrade. It is all about speed and precision. Every single click you save is a little bit of mental focus gained for your actual projects. That is the real value provided here. It turns a clunky and repetitive interaction into a smooth and natural motion. You stop thinking about how to change your settings and you just change them. That is the highest praise you can give to any piece of software. It solves a common problem so well that you forget the problem ever existed. It makes your Mac feel more personal and much more responsive to your immediate needs. You deserve a workflow that does not fight back.